Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel. This video, I want to show you how to download and install the Waka TV on your Android TV, especially without Play Store and without downloader. Like and subscribe to YouTube channel for more important videos like this. So if you are searching for a way to install the Waka TV on your Android TV without Play Store and without downloader, then this video is for you. Now remember, our inbuilt app store most of the times is always limited and you're not going to find most of the applications that you want. And I remember I said you are not going to use downloader and I don't have Play Store. So what do you do when you don't have these applications but you want to install the Waka TV application? Here's exactly what you should do. Now go to your inbuilt browser, or if you have an additional browser, just go ahead and launch it. Now I have TV Pro. If you don't have TV Pro, you can use your inbuilt browser or any other browser. It is going to work. So just launch a browser on your Android TV. Now if you want to use TV Pro and you don't have it, then in my YouTube channel I've attached there's a video on how to install TV Pro. Now I love TV Pro because it's very optimized to use on Android TV. It's one of the best. It's one of the best browsers to use on an Android TV. So here's how mine looks like. So once you come over to your TV Pro or your inbuilt browser, please just go to the search bar or the search box and type in this code or this link, Waka wakatv.net. So this is it. Once you're done, just go ahead and click go. Remember, you're typing this on your browser. It can be any browser. Just type in wakatv.net. So the first option that you're going to come over is going to be an option that is going to allow you to install the application. So this option, for instance, you can just click on it. And as you can see, this is the download button, and you can just go ahead and start downloading the application to your Android TV. There is no other thing you have to do. See the file is already downloading. So how do you see the file that is downloading, especially on this browser? That's one thing I love about this browser. It is possible for you to see a downloading file. So if you go over to download options at the top of your screen here, you can see the Waka TV is already there downloading. Now once it's done downloading, an install button, just go ahead and click on it once, and then you are going to be able to install to your Android TV. And this is how to download and install Waka TV to your Android TV, especially without Play Store and without App Store, and also without the download application. If you found this video helpful, please do not forget to like, subscribe to the channel.